sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.